Saga brings that, y'all. Oh, the newest album of the game, we be coming back. It's the newest trap, I'm a beaming the snap. I gotta making the money, and I got making these clothes, and I got all of these things. I don't even want it more. But spitting my own balls and doing my own thing. It's just another year where we doing anything. Everything is different. Well, right now, I'm gonna be the best nigga. Couldn't even laugh on you, bros. Couldn't even spit. My own team, we all that spit. All of the talking, all of the waiting, all the new. The Tiger Breeze Entertainment is a new game. Bro, we just making the paper, we're counting something. Something is the stunners and the roll-ups are nothing. If everybody has a dream, what we gonna do? Doing real things. Well, I am the genius of people like everybody knows. And I'm just I'm the captain of the show. I'm the captain of the main thing, everything. Bro, everybody knows who I'm freaking am. I gotta spend on this mixtape, and everybody else had a dream of what we gonna do with doing so big things that I can't even remember. I remember all the times that when I sat in the studio doing all of this, reminiscing about my life a little bit. My time is so strong, the time is so right, and everybody has a dream. What we gonna do, right? All this mixtape is nothing. We coming back with a new single, something. I'm making another mixtape out of the nothing and out of copping. And all you bros niggas can't even stop me. Stop me for what I'm doing because I'm the greatest. The achievement is so loud, I can't even hate it. I hate it all the time. I hate it all the way. I hate it all for the big things popping. Bruh, I had a lot of that last night. Last night I saw the people was on TV. Man, I swear everybody was on there. I just don't know what I'm gonna do when I come back on another trap all again. Everybody wants to get Spirit Week all again. Me and my bros, we spitting like paper. We getting after it every day. What we doing? I gotta make sure my people getting something. Something gotta go right. Something gotta go harder. Something gotta be the real man. The dream. The dreams are popping this year. What we are doing big things. It's nothing like a mixtape, and there's something gotta go when we gotta make it quick. Quicker it gets, the quicker it glows. Glow on you niggas can't even spit, bruh. And I wanna make sure we got a mixtape right. And what we doing so big things popping, little things popping. You know what I'm gonna do because I'm living the life. I'm living the life of what I'm just into. And my bro somewhere out here will want to. You didn't even Snapchat me back. I know you was tired last night because you couldn't even laugh on your bros, and I wanted to make sure I spit so many times, and when the the bars I get, the bars is going harder, and then the stream of music is so loud, it's packed up to the tame, back up the fame, back up on everybody's on the stream. We making mixtapes out the hit after shows. I wanna make sure everybody knows about what I'm saying, about one thing for sure, we had to make it happen. I made it happen so many times that I wanna spit the words that's coming out of your mouth too. One of the things I wanna be the best man, the best in everything, the only thing, the one thing's for sure, we don't need to send it back to the company no more when we get it real back. Oh, you were coming back, then you started spitting on that shit like you know it. This mixtape is a new big thing, popping little things ain't stopping me. Stop me from what I'm about to do, when I'm about to go home, when I need a big crew. If I had to take a chance on the mixtape, I don't want to get out, I just want to take it. I had to get called up to the homies. My homies are better, the homies that call me. They call me some new niggas like they know me. I'm the newest shit, we know where your ass at. You coming back on that trap mix. Yo, make sure your game is so freaking tight. Make sure the big things I wanna be right. Right on everything, right on right. Oh, right on rights and right on price. You know how I feel when I'm rapping this mixtape. It's right. The bass is going loud and everything is going stream. Extremely it gets the harder the things, the better it gets, so hard it gon' make. And everybody knows when I'm dropping the mixtape, you can see me right now. I'm doing big things as anybody has told. They know me for sure, and we know you for sure, cause you never made a mixtape in your life. Sorry, go breeze that, y'all. Yeah. Yeah.